Hi, my name is Buck Bonner with MarineMax in Bald Ridge Marina in Cumming, Georgia. Standing on the back of a 2014 Mastercraft X46 24-foot boat. This is a freshwater, one-owner boat used here on beautiful Lake Lanier. Lots of attributes and features about this boat that's very nice to have on the lake while you're out enjoying the day. Not only is this a premier wakeboard, wake surf boat equipped with the Gen 2 surf system, but just from an entertainment platform, it's a big boat with tons of space and tons of neat features for a long day on the water. As you can see, I'm standing here on the swim platform. You have the extended swim platform with the aqua matting, so it's a great place to put on your wakeboard equipment or your skis, or get ready for your set. Also on the back of the boat you have your stereo control, so you can swim up to the boat if you're coved out and change the stereo without having to get out of the water. You've got your transom seats here, which are very nice when you're hanging out, just swimming, again, just spending time on the aft portion of the boat. There's tons of additional features inside the cockpit of the boat. Let's take a look at a few of those. Now I'm in the cockpit of the Mastercraft X46. As you can see, there's an abundance of seating all throughout this boat. Also, you have your two rear loungers facing forward. You have your reversible midship seats, and you can also transfer this into a full lounging sun pad as well. So lots of versatility, again, lots of space, and when not in use, it just tucks away nicely against the engine compartment. As we move forward, you can see all the JL audio system. Subwoofer is placed here as well. JL Audio is a premier brand in the industry. They do have some of the best sound out there on the water. The boat's also equipped with Cockpit Heater, so that's nice for your early spring or fall sets. When you get out of the water, you can really warm up quickly. Here, as we move forward to the helm, you have your digital dash. All of your controls, all of your gauges and things are also duplicated on your dash. This boat has about 267 hours. The motor is a 6.2 Elmore 430 horsepower engine. As you can see, you have your billet grill, billet dash on your port side. Pickle fork bow, lots of space, lots of storage up underneath these seats. You also have flip down armrests, billet aluminum grab handles, and your bow ladder as well as anchor storage. So lots of neat features for this boat. Again, it is in Bald Ridge Marina on the MarineMax sales dock. Come take a look today.